Welcome back to Leaky VWs. And in this video, for the first time, we're actually not going to be working on a Volkswagen. So this right here is my sister's clapped R53 Mini Cooper S. And it, as you can see, has seen better days. The time has come in Pennsylvania for safety inspection. And one thing that would not pass on this car is the exhaust. Instead of just repairing or replacing with a factory option, my sister is kind of poor. She's in PT school. She needs to save all the money she can. So after doing some research online, we found out that the cheapest option was actually to order an exhaust system from eBay for $297. So in this video, we're going to be installing it and see if it sounds good. And if you can't tell by the crooked exhaust tips, the install wasn't very straightforward. So stick around and let's see if this thing actually sounds good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. It's got the exhaust sleeve burble tube special. It's so bad. Oh yeah. All right, that's good. Ooh. I think it's okay. I think you're gonna need this.
What?
A hanger, Juby. I'm gonna get you the coil and everything else.
17 feels floppy. 16 seems real snug, like it doesn't go all the way on.
Right. Let me get the says. Doesn't matter what size you got when you got the power. You got the, give you the hot ride. All right, let me get an extension cord. So, no, so it's the fan is on, but you gotta press the button and then it'll kind of do its thing. Hold it on the nut thing. Are you pressing the button? Like you should see a light come on.
Yeah, light's on.
All right, and then if you hold it on the button, it should like take like 30 seconds or something, or you can just wait until it gets red hot.
It's smoking, but I can't really see it.
Let me go on the other side. It definitely looks like it's smoking. Yeah, give that a try.
Yeah. This is really thick one here, solid. With this wrench. It needs impact or something.
Yeah, it needs a sawzall.
Can't see what I'm doing. Can't focus because this thing's right from the face. The start is spinning.
You got it.
These are bit size. Not kind of that one. It might be actually. Consider like I think they're slight Asian. So this is stupid. You have to like, these are plastic. to like pull down on this thing and it's popping out. I think I'm just twisting this metal strap thing.
Salzo?
I'm just gonna snap it.
I mean, that works.
You know, I got like not quite enough room. My question is, what is holding? Well, we still have the hangers up.
Oh, in the front,
yeah.
And then also the jack stand. I think the jack stand actually doing what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, okay.
I was like, why didn't this crush me?
You like that?
I can tell your patience is wearing thin. It's only
5 minutes in.
This is very English. So what is that thing held on with?
Pussies.
Let's see.
What is it?
What's it held on with?
This thing?
Is that a bushing or what is that?
This is just a support plate.
Okay.
And there's 2 hangers in this mid pipe.
Oh, okay.
And those are attached with some stupid English thing.
Okay.
That's bad teeth like.
All right. So can this come out now, or?
I believe it should, with some persuasion.
All right. Do you want me to just hit the lever?
TJ Shopper.
Oh God. There's stuff flying everywhere.
It's England.
Here, just hold it up and then. Inca.
TJ Shopper.
Yeah, hold on. Let me help. Oh.
Here.
I think this plate's gotta come on.
All right. Well, let me give it one more on papa.
Yeah, you just gotta gooch it. Yeah. I think it's out of the thing. I can't. It's just hung up or something. I guess it
You got rid of the plate.
I took the initiative.
All right.
We just might need a self-tapper or 2.
Well, there will be 3.
There's 3, yeah, that's fine. I mean, it'll still, well, actually, you probably don't even need it because that's probably what was rattling.
No, it was.
Okay.
No, there was actually this thing, I think, right here was on top of under here, like.
I see. So that was the
boot.
Hi, babes. So I got holes.
I got hose. Well, this is already repaired once.
Yeah.
So
This is gonna sound so cool.
I guess we'll see. Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Did it?
Here, let me adjust this.
Oh. It's like the barrel of like a Browning assault rifle from World War II.
It's a tea infuser.
These guys have to twist.
Yeah.
Let's get your super duper balooper. So the question is where we turn them.
I would turn them before the bend because this already has like strain on it. So I would say down here, kind of heat it up and then twist it in like the middle.
And in theory, like you want the penis head to be kind of like here.
Right.
So if we bend it here.
Oh yeah. How much was this?
$290.
So that's what $290 will get you.
Yeah.
I think you need to flip it. Remember? Because now, like the bracket, like the mount goes upside down. Like you have it. It should be like the bushing should be up on the other side. Like rotate it 180. Oh, there we go.
Emptiness.
I was like, wow, it's really not close. Okay, it looks relatively close. It actually doesn't look bad. All right, let's go over what you're doing now. So the old bolt snapped under here. So also the hangers, obviously with this being a not even $300 exhaust, the hangers are not in the right spot. So the idea is that, is that one still on now?
The idea is to save time and just break the bad English teeth studs, but I wasted extra time effing around with those and actually salvaged them. But I actually broke these guys intentionally from anger. And then what I'm doing is I actually flip the hanger bracket upside down because set this up to where it's it won't reach with the stock hanger. So we're gonna try the axis powers fighting each other.
Right. So you got, oh, let me see if I can't find it. Oh, there it is. So you got a nut spacing it out.
Yeah.
And then you got some bunch of washers.
There is nothing holding it in place anymore because it's just hanging upside down, and this little claw is supposed to be over here, so it's upside down and backwards. So the penis is heading towards the front of the car, and this penis will head towards the back of the car. So in theory, it actually will probably work better, maybe.
Right.
And I have metal in my eyes now.
So the tips are kind of callywampas here, and we had to do your Hulk sprain, do the old to get it. Okay. Don't give yourself another hernia. But so now we're just gonna tighten that and see if we can
snap this brass bolt.
It's zinc coated probably.
Zinc brass.
It's working. It's bringing it in. It's just, you got, like, the tip is not even at all.
That's okay.
Is it, what's going on there?
I don't know.
Is it like stripping the bolt? It looks so dumb. I mean, we could just try to impact it and see what happens.
Maybe you think that it's a little quickly.
Honestly, it's within like a quarter of an inch.
That's pretty crazy. That's pretty solid.
Hey, baby.
I mean, there's a lot of.
Are you helping? Are you helping?
That's hilarious.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Start it. Let's see how this thing sounds.
Metal in my back.
Oh. Honestly, it's not as insane. Don't rev it until it's probably so pushed forward that it was just sucking up oil. It was like,
good.
Bad.
No, it actually sounds really good. What do you think?
I thought it was gonna sound like. I really thought it was gonna go. That's just shoot off. You can't even hear it. Perfect. Thanks. A little crooked.
All right, now move it.
Move what?
Move it off the thingamajigs.
Oh boy.
whoa, whoa.
Oh,
Is the e-brake's on, I think.
did you lower her while she was?
No. Right into the bushes.
Let her start.
All right, give us some.
Rev it up.
Oh, yeah, give us some revs. It honestly sounds good. It sounds good.
Hear my horses?
It sounds good.
Oh yeah. Let's see how this thing sounds on the road.
Don't mind that.
Uh-oh, door came undone.
We got crooked exhaust and apparently a crooked door.
Yeah. Honestly, it doesn't really like. I didn't drive it before we fixed it, but it doesn't sound like obnoxious.
No, not at all. It's actually good.
We'll get on it at the light.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got some burbles.
Ooh.
Oh, did you do the transmission fluid in this thing?
No.
I was gonna say, it took like an hour to ship. It was like.
That's why you just go into manual.
Oh, that's what we're doing. We're doing that. Oh yeah.
I had to make sure my door was still attached.
Yeah, it's not loud.
No.
It smells weird.
Yeah.
It smells like melting chemicals.
Great. Did I forget something? I was trying to think if I forgot any. Like, did I get my? I got my light out from underneath there.
Yeah, both the lights were in there, so. But yeah, she definitely needs alignment. You just.
Yeah. I think I had this thing aligned.
Probably her hitting potholes.
True.
Call that a success.
Yep.
Yeah.
Signing off.